Gotta fell in love with a gold demon. I'm 5-star like the full season. Sucking like a pro, no teasing. Drop that neck like a cold season. Gotta fell in love with a gold demon.
Hey, I told y'all, I don't know why I love women that snore. I just love it. It is the biggest turn on in the world to me, is to have a woman laying on my chest. I like when you when you lay your head in my lap and you just sound like a little bow. Her just snoring. And some of y'all, ladies, some of y'all even get it on your own, got your own little rhythm and all. And you know what I really love is when you snoring. And then she hey, babe, what you mean, Ain't nobody talking to you, babe. Little yogi. I call it little yogi. Little yogi bow. Hey, ladies. Oh boy. Ooh, that turned me on. I'm talking about y'all be getting a little rhythm and everything. Sound like a little raffle. Ladies, if you snore, marry me. Marry me today. Boy, I love it.
Gotta fell in love with a gold demon. I'm 5-star like the full season. Sucking like a pro, no teasing. Drop that neck like a cold season. Gotta fell in love with a gold demon.